Hey guys, my name's Savannah again, and I'm going to be doing a Angry Birds space card videos now, and this is going to be my first one, and eventually in the future I will get more. So yeah, this is my first pack that I ever got, so I want to share with you guys. This is the space. Here's the back, a few cards on there. It says, power cards, who's got the most power, who's got the best aim, get ready for birdie battle, sorry. Alright, let's just get this over with. And I was about to throw that way, but it ended up to fail. Alright, now it works. Alright, so first off, we have Icebird. Icebird getting thrown. Icebird landing. And when they land, they look really wiped out. But I don't really think they just been like thrown. I mean, you know. We got Space Pig Minion. Another Space Pig Minion. A Space Pig Minion Frozen. Space Corporal Pig. Another Space Corporal Pig. A Frozen Space Corporal Pig, a Space Mustache Pig, Space Mustache Pig with a bubble, Space Mustache Pig Frozen. Very good, I said it. Okay, Space Corporal Pig, okay. What's next? Big Bork. He's big, and his name's Bork, so Big Bork, here you go. Big Bork is frozen. Space King Pig with a bubble. Another Space King Pig. I have trouble, like, pronouncing, like, the pig and the space and, Space King Pig Frozen. Super Red. He's cool. Super Red being thrown. And Super Red down. Look at that. They look like so knocked out. Like they just got like slapped in the face by a rock or something. I mean, they're warriors. They're really doing it. Lightning Bird. Lightning Birds. That's when you tap on it. There's more. If you're new to Angry Birds. Lightning Bird. Lightning Bird. Down. Laser Bird. He's really cool. He's one of my favorites. But he doesn't have that much eggs. And eggs are instant kill. Laser Bird being thrown. Laser Bird down. Like, they really look like they've been like pushed or knocked out or something. The Incredible Terrence. Cosmic Bubbles. My favorite card in here is Cosmic Bubbles. He looks like an orange. He's really cool. 8 instant kills. That's really good. And 108 health. Usually if they have a lot of eggs, they have low health. But this Cosmic Bubbles, really good. So yeah, the Incredible Terrence, again. Space Bomb, down. Just Space Bomb on there. And Space Bomb being thrown. I know that was kind of messed up. And we're back to Icebird. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe or like. Because it takes time to make these YouTube videos, and I really want you guys to like or subscribe, because YouTube is a very cool thing, and it's just fun to make videos and have fun making them. Also, I did a preview video on what we're going to be doing in the summer, and I left out that I'm going to be having special guests around when I go on that vacation. I have a few guests if they want to be in the video. So I'm going to be doing all kinds of people, and it's going to be really cool. So if you guys can like, subscribe, comment, anything. If you guys want to trade Pokemon after Lent 2016, go ahead. As long as it's a fair trade, it's no problem. So thank you guys so much for watching. Watch more of my videos. Thanks, guys. Peace out.